Hey yo, Scotty Stoner here. Time to rip some packs. Rip them! Right, Tom?
Right.
Take my opening ripper. Today we're looking at another Lightning sports card box and a $20 mystery box from Target, Walmart thing. Oh, and the pot goes on. Let's open this blaster, this mystery box first. Huh? Huh? Find some baseballs. Oh man, we got stickers. Goddamn stickers. Well, guess who's not? Because A's guy, man. And then here, Ross Kivett. That's my hit. What a rib. And here are my 6-packs. Sweet Babe Ruth pack. Not going to open. 2019 Series 1. Ooh, we got a 2018 Series 2. Bat down Acuna. Let's get that. Let's get that. We got 2008 Upper Deck X. Bowman Platinum. That's good. And Heritage. So we'll do this. Use this guy. This. Here we go. James McCain. It's gotta be. Yonder. Ryan Baraki. Miller. Donaldson. Hill. And Scope. Pretty trashy pack. Heritage. Heritage. Jack Godley. Romano. Santana. Shoemaker. Wardell Herrera. Anderson. Hader. Ian Happ. Any high numbers? Yeah. This old Hera. There's a high number. He's high. And he's got a number. Not sure what it is. But it's not great. Upper Decks. Thinking about getting a box of these. Maybe. Josh Hamilton. Russell Martin. There's a Cy Young. Chow Ming Wang. Russell Martin. The numbered. It's just gold. And it looks like it's not cut. Oh, now it is. Let me cut this card for myself. It's a peel off. Weird. I got the exact same X card. One's gold. Huh? And Hanley is Nate McLeod. What was that? Good. Bowman Platinum. Ricky pulled a Jordan out of here. Not worth too much though. Let's get something worth something. Casey Mize. Grant. Crawford. Let's see. Yep, nothing great. And this could be the savior. Napoli. Zanio. Austin Hedges. Padres. Anthony Rizzo. Aaron Nola. Byron Buxton. Freddie Freeman. Justin Turner. Hugh Darvish. No Acuna. Boom. Lightning box o'clock. Boom. There we go. That's what I was looking for. This guy. Alright. Bang. So there's this little letter here. Not doing correctly there. Jeez. Thank you. Blah blah blah. Some numbers and stuff. Watch for next month's series 4. Here's the packs I'm getting. Oh, these are not. There's my penny sleeves. These are always handy. And stack of packs. Right off the bat, that's a big pack. Put that back by Acuna for a minute. Series 2. Hobby. See if we can pull that Luis Robert gold. There's a Bowman. Prism retail. Heritage retail. Series 1 retail. Diamond Kings retail. And a big league retail. Here's my team bag. Edgar Martinez on the front. And then here's my hit. So we'll do them in that order, I guess. Boom. Check out this team bag real quick. Figure this team bag out. There you go. There's Edgar, Jim Priestley. Oh, that's old school. This is a 1985 traded card. That's pretty cool. Kijnik, Dominique, Malik, JP, Aaron Nola, Austin Nola, Kikuchi, Kyle Seager, Vogelbach, Randy. There's a sweet Michael Morse double. Paxton, Jay Bruce. There's a Kyle Lewis rookie. Sweet. Put that up there. Kyle Seager and Harold Reynolds. Some Mariners for myself. That's cool. Put it up here with the hit. Acuna. Let's bust these packs. Bust these packs, man. Big league. Big league, not the greatest. But on the back, there's a Yordan Alvarez. Even though he's not playing right now. Could be still a good card. Brandon Woodford, Woodruff, Mitch Keller, Senzel. There's a Trout, Lindor, Carlos Correa, Brandon Lau, Munoz, and award-winning Yordan Alvarez rookie card. Put that off over there. Diamond Kings. This is Ricky's favorite. He likes the Diamond Kings. Of course, he hasn't pulled any big hurt. One big hurt out of like a hobby box. Joey Votto, Ian Diaz, Gavin Lux, Artist Proof. That's not bad. Tim Anderson and Cheater, numbered Cheater, 76 of 99. Numbered Cheater card. Numbered on there, you can kind of see on the bottom right here. Whatever. It's Altuve. No one cares. Boom. Series 1. I'm going to actually open these up first for the Series 1. Let's go Prism. Retail. Let's get lucky here. It's probably not. Oh, Lorenzo, it's got to be Kane.
Kane.
Ryan Abreu. There's a Cody Bellinger Fireworks and an Aaron Judge. 2 inserts, not bad.
Oh! I didn't watch that. There's no fans yelling at you.
Heritage.
Goddamn cardboard copy jacket. But I know the winds. It's not windy out here.
Miro Kelly. Stalling. Woodgren. Quintilla. Paul DeJong. Romy. Clevenger. Shut up.
Look at the water. It's fucking smooth as silk.
Paul DeJong is my high number. Not very high.
Whoa.
Look what you did, you little jerk.
Wasn't me. It was your fucking chassis poster and the bottom fell off again.
Series 1, 2020. Let's get a good gold here.
The bottom of your dual intentions poster just fell.
Yep. Probably did. Brandon McKay, rookie. Mike Marshall. There's an Eloy Jimenez. Gold Cup. Ian Diaz. Chapman. Malik Smith. Freddie Peralta. Logan Allen. Yadier Molina. I wonder if that's a short print. I can't tell yet. 9 and I think it's 9 too. So no. Marte Chrome. Cole Hamels. Johan and Reyes. So nothing crazy. Bunch of base. Boom, Bowman. Oldie Bowman. Let's get some crazy in here. Let's get some crazy in here, huh? Huh? Yeah, you heard me. Let's get some crazy in here. Garcia, rookie. Jesus Luzardo, rookie. Anthony K, rookie. Francisco Alvarez, Bowman Scouts. Jordan Adams, Shortridge. Garcia. Davey Garcia. Alonzo. Kevin Biggio. Paul DeJong. Nothing crazy. Series 2. One card you're looking for. Or a short print. Let's see if we can get something here. Astudillo, Pollock, Gardner, Duffy, Escobar, Bogarts, Rodriguez, Lopes, Zook, Sheffield, Paul DeJong. There's a gold, Blake Schnell. There's Victor Robles. And gold, Blake Schnell. So nothing intense. Nothing too intense there. Saving grace. See if we can get an auto. JD Martinez. Woo! Trent Grisham autograph card. Rookie auto. Boom. Trent Grisham. There's a Nico Horner refractor. That's a good card too. Zach Collins rookie and an H.A. Puck rookie. That was a good pack. Good pack of cards there. And now we'll do our hit, which I kind of think I already seen. I think it's just a Mariner autograph. Probably a really cheap one. Nope, not even a Mariner. It's a Brett Lillick. Not even sure who that is. This is from 2015 Bowman. Bowman firsts. Well, not too bad. At least from the Lightning box, we got 2 autographs. Hit some gimmick for that. One for the road. See ya.